Mayong buntag, Governor Nani. Kami nagkasabot na magtapok para pagpaabot kanino among pinasingkasin na pagpaabot kanino sa imong pagbalik sa atong lalawigan sa Surigao del Sur. Tungod ni among ipabot ang iniusa na mo nga busis pinabi sa panahon.
From the Tichilo and Bagbo family, welcome home, Governor Johnny Pimentel. God bless you and mabuhay! Welcome back, Governor Johnny Pimentel from Vice Governor's Office. Yay! Welcome home, Governor Johnny P. Pimentel from BJMP Tandag. God bless and mabuhay! Woo!
God's graces, welcome back, Governor Johnny Pimentel.
Padayon sa imong matinong pagkalagad sa katawan.
We miss you and welcome back, Governor Johnny P. Pimentel from the Provincial Veterinary Office. God bless you and mabuhay!
Welcome home, Governor Johnny P. Pimentel from PCO Warden. God bless and mabuhay!
The Provincial Budget Office warmly welcomes you back to the office.
Welcome back, Governor Johnny P. Pimentel. Mabuhay po kayo!
Welcome home. We are happy to see you healthy again. We miss you, Gov. Johnny. Maayong pagbalik, Governor Johnny P. Pimentel. Welcome back. Mas nindot ang among panahiusa. Tungod kay kanila kanausa.
Welcome back, Governor Johnny. We thank God for your recovery and are grateful to see you back in service. Your before family wishes you continued good health and strength.
Welcome home, Governor!
The PGO Nutrition Office would like to say,
Malipayan kami kung madayaw na pagbalik ko. Yay! We are glad to see you back and doing great, Governor Johnny P. Pimentel from PGSO family. Welcome back, Gov. Johnny. God bless you. Welcome back to our beloved provincial governor, Honorable Johnny P. Pimentel from Provincial Treasurer's Office. Yay!
Welcome home, Governor Johnny T. Pimentel. We are deeply grateful to see you safe, strong, and surrounded by love once again. Truly, home is sweeter with your return, marking a new chapter of strength, joy, and hope. Mwah!
Welcome back, Gov. Johnny, from your PPO family. Welcome back, Governor Johnny. We are happy to have you back. We wish you continued good health, strength, and success. Welcome home, Gov, from the Prosecutor's Office.
Welcome back to our Governor Johnny P. Pimentel. Wishing you continued success in your service in the province of Surigao del Sur. Journey toward progress. God bless from Provincial Health Office.
Weekend sa PHRMO. Welcome back, Governor Johnny P. Pimentel. We're glad to see you. Yay!
Welcome back, Governor. The Population Division family warmly welcomes you back to the province. Together, let's continue to bring public programs closer to every Sorigaonon. Padayon Sorsor!
Mabuhay! Welcome back, Governor Johnny, from the Provincial Tourism Office. We love you!
May buntag sa tanan Sorigaonon. Dati na sa atong mahal na Governor Johnny P. Pimentel. We are excited na yakabalik na kao. We are looking forward and praying na magpadayon ang imong recovery and looking forward to work with you again.
Welcome back, Gov. Johnny. Dako gyud ang among kalipay sa imong pagbalik. I wish you continued strength and speedy recovery. God bless, Gov.
Welcome back,
always an inspiration and testament to your unwavering dedication to the people of Surigao del Sur.
Welcome back, Governor! From Tandac City Fire Station, welcome back, Governor Johnny T. Pimentel. God bless you and mabuhay!
On behalf of the Fighting Force of BP Surigao del Sur, I am First Superintendent Julius Darrell M. Bulatang, the newly designated Provincial Fire Marshal. We warmly welcome you with gratitude and enthusiasm, sir.
Welcome back, Governor Johnny T. Pimentel. God bless you and mabuhay!
Welcome back, Johnny T. Pimentel. Dako na akong kalipay sa imong pagbalik. From Capital Lasal, Quezon City.
Ikan sa kinadubukan pwersa sa Provincial Engineering Office, Ikan District, kami ay nalipay sa imong pagbalik trabaho, Governor Johnny T. Pimentel. Welcome home and mabuhay!
We welcome you back to home and work, Governor Johnny T. Pimentel, with prayers for you to continue effective service.
From District City, Governor and Congressman's Satellite Office.
Mabuhay!
Padayaw nga adlaw sa Gondelsor. Ako kakong mga kaubanan sa barangay opisyal, uban sa tibuok katawan sa barangay Kampagang, malipayong na kaingon.
On behalf sa katawan sa Barangay Carpinito, kami nagmalipayon sa imong pagbalik, Governor Johnny T. Pimentel. God bless you.
Welcome back, Governor Johnny Pimentel, from DLGU, Dugan, Mabuhay!
Welcome back, Honorable Johnny T. Pimentel, Provincial Governor of Surigao del Sur, from DLGU, Malaysia.
Welcome back, Governor Johnny T. Pimentel, from DLGU, Mamis. Mayayong pagbalik, Governor Johnny T. Pimentel. Padayon sa pagserbisyo, padayon sa paglambo sa Surigao del Sur. Mabuhay ka, Gov. Johnny, from the Barangay Katong.
Welcome back, Gov. Salamat sa Ginoo sa imong complimentary recovery. God bless you.
Welcome back, Governor Johnny T. Pimentel, from BLGU Tagumon. Welcome back, Governor Johnny T. Pimentel, from Wakat Barangay Officials, BXW, Viva Frontliners, Mabuhay! Welcome back, Provincial Governor, Honorable Johnny T. Pimentel, from BLGU Tambis.
Ang tibok ilan ng mga barangay Tago Supper. Welcome home, Governor Johnny T. Pimentel. O salamat sa Ginoo sa imong kamayo o pagpangga sa among mahal na gobernador. Yay!
Welcome home, Governor Johnny T. Pimentel from the Provincial Engineering Office. Mabuhay and God bless you.
Welcome back, Governor Johnny T. Pimentel from the festivals and roadcrafts Infrared Project participants and facilitators. Yay!
Maayong pagkabot, Gov. Johnny. Mahilingon ka pagkagari ikan sa Surigao Barangay Sawasya. Daghang salamat kung padayon sa imong pagbarako sa probinsya sa Surigao del Sur.
Welcome back, Gov. Johnny Pimentel. Praying for your fast recovery. Love lots from GIB Hinatuan.
Welcome home, Gov. Johnny Pimentel. Mabuhay.
Welcome back, Gov. Johnny.
Welcome home, Honorable Governor Johnny Pimentel. God bless and mabuhay.
Welcome back, Gov. Johnny T. Pimentel. And mabuhay and God bless.
Welcome back,
Governor Johnny
God bless you and mabuhay! Yay!
Welcome back, the best governor of Surigao del Sur. Padayon Gov sa paglambo. God bless and mabuhay.
Welcome home, Gov. Johnny Pimentel. Welcome home, mabuhay!
Welcome home, Gov.
Good morning. Welcome, Gov. Johnny.
Welcome home, Gov. Johnny Pimentel, and God bless you. Mabuhay.